Hey guys, how's it going? So tonight I'm going to be doing a little bit of a video on my eBay catback exhaust that I cut open and welded baffles on the inside for myself for my personal sound experience. Stupidly enough, it works and it sounds good to my ears. Maybe not to yours, but that's personal preference. So currently I have you duct taped on the back of my bumper, risking my own phone for some sound of my custom exhaust that I bought off of eBay that I, even more, customized. So, let's get right into the video. 0 to 60 pulls, first, second, and third, idling, revving, and normal city driving. I hope you enjoy, and at the end of the video, if you do, go ahead and give it a like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and give it a comment, maybe share it around. So, FYI, if you are sensitive to any loud sounds, flashing lights, or shaking images, this is not the video for you because it will shake a lot. guys, that's going to be the end of the video on the exhaust sound for my custom exhaust made for my 2000 Honda Civic. Like I said, I opened it up, welded in my own personal baffles, and from there, and that was the sound. As you heard, if you liked it, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, maybe share the video around a couple times. I'd like to get a couple people sharing it on Facebook, Instagram, basically wherever you can find to share this video to. Thanks a lot for the support, and thanks for the comments all over Instagram on how cool it is. I take a lot of pride in my projects and what I do to this car, and I appreciate a lot of the feedback I'm getting from you guys. Whether it be positive or negative, I appreciate all of it, and I hope you guys have a great night.